Arrive in style with this Dodge 2017 Grand Caravan say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 29 ESE included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT flex fuel transmission, 6-speed automatic 62T easy clean floor mats 3-zone manual control front and rear AC 6 speakers body color body side molding body color sill applique rear air conditioning with heater sunscreen glass body color door handles, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, billet clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT flex fuel, STD, light gray stone seats, black light gray stone cloth low back bucket seats, Uconnect hands-free group included, remote USB port Bluetooth streaming audio leather-wrapped steering wheel leather-wrapped shift knob Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth rear view